Happy Monday morning. We are in Wanchese, I think is the way Will says it. Wanchese, North Carolina. Finally made it out of the north. Hallelujah.
We laughed. We made it.
But we are here in Wanchese because we lost a bolt off of our port engine. It's making the coolant leak out when we turn it on. So we're going to go retrieve the ones that we need so we can get a copy.
None of my phones will focus now. Isn't that strange?
You used them too much.
I guess. I think to myself, why won't any of them focus? Get an update or something, because that's what I think. We got an update.
That broke it.
Yeah. Nothing. I mean, look how fuzzy that is.
Yeah.
Isn't that just jacked up? I haven't dropped it. Thought maybe I had something on the lens. Huh. Should be the light. That should make a difference. Let's see. Holy!
It does.
Okay.
Wow, we learned something new.
That's the issue. The screen brightness turned down. Man, I gotta clean this stuff. Apparently it gets really, really dirty.
Our life is really, really dirty.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go in the engine room, so that kind of tells you something. Okay, so I got some form of gasket, and then I got some thread sealant. Only the words me about that thread sealant.
What does red mean?
Red normally means you're not going to get it back out.
One way.
Yeah, you put it in and it's a high hold. So you can get it back out, but you need a torch to basically heat everything back up.
Okay, I'm going down the hole. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm halfway down the hole so I can pick you guys back up. Okay. All right.
Okay.
What are we looking at?
So, as you can see, these blue towels are now red.
Oh, yeah, that's the coolant.
That's from the coolant. That bolt here was missing. You're good. That bolt was missing. This is the original bolt. I put, I mean, it's screwed up, but I put a screw in there, bolt that's not going to tighten up because it's not the correct threads. So what I want to do is take the one we do have out and go get at least a matching one.
If not 7.
Well, that would probably be a good idea, actually. Would be a half a dozen, and we throw them in the toolbox. I did kind of notice that nowhere else on this motor does it have matching ones, which
Well, that's
sucks.
nothing new. In automotive, nothing matches.
But what I think I'm going to have to do, let me get this loose. Okay. It's coming out, okay.
You should call Matthew.
Show you what I think we're going to have to take apart. Come on. If I can get this one to come all the way out, it may be all the way out. Yep, it is. It's just stuck with paint. Why did the other one just fall out on its own? That's crazy.
Not enough paint on that side.
So I can get
Needle
that.
nose pliers?
Yeah, probably, but let me see if I can just get a hold of it and pop it out. Yeah, I had it better, didn't I? Now it's really kind of But my thought is I'm gonna have to take this plate off, because there's got to be 4 bolts under this. There's got to be 2 here and 2 about here. So this whole plate has to come off so we can take this plate off, reseal it, put it back on, and then put this back on. That assembly. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna have to do. But even to do that, I've got to find at least 1 more bolt, because it's not just gonna seal on its own. And I don't know if they've painted this after the fact, but it is stuck in there. Golly. And I'm clicking on it, but when I do, oh, here it comes, here it comes. It's gonna take just a little fine finessing to come out. That's as far as it's coming out of the hole. Oh, you know what? Here we go. Is the problem with some engine builders. I don't know why they would ever make something that doesn't thread all the way out, because you need it to thread all the way. One thing I might be able to do is wait. Come on. That might be far enough to get it with this little thing. You know what I could do? 2 of these little tiny ones. Set that there. And then kind of grab it. There we go. That little thing. Believe that? That little tiny thing. Okay.
But you got it.
I got it out. And I didn't drop it, which is even more incredible. Because we've got one of these probably down in the bilge somewhere we're going to have to find. I think the only way to do that is we're going to have to pull the floor. We're gonna have to suck everything out of here to get through the fluid. Okay. So that's what made us get towed in by the Coast Guard. That little thing right there, because we don't have anything that kind of matches it. Yep. Okay. Oh,
Good job.
Blinding you. I'm gonna stick that in my pocket, so maybe I won't lose it.
So he thinks the other one may be down there in the depths somewhere.
Yeah, I do. 100%. And it's...
We do need to dome this place.
Yes. We need to put
Wow.
it in the sprayer
Yeah.
and spray everything down, including the motors. And then we need to get down in here. There's spots on the motor we need to clean and repaint.
What's this? Is this the whole number right here?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the whole number.
All right, guys. I'm gonna pause you while I climb out. Tell you what, I much prefer the generator room.
You do?
Yeah, it's easier to get in and out of. Yes.
Yeah. It is easier.
Whew.
It is a little chilly out here, though.
Yes, but we don't.
Warmer in the
I have on shorts. I'm good. This is the Carolinas. All right, guys, we're gonna go figure out how to go get a bolt Y'all have a good day.